Yo, you guys. So today we're gonna have a quick look at the acrylic painters, and as you see, these are somewhat different than others because they are only black and whites. So three blacks, three whites, and I would say we're just gonna grab one and check that out because they're gonna be the same. So let's unwrap this quick. We might should probably take the knife and cut this open really quick. And I'll scoop that out here. Yep. And now that we got that, presentation-wise, looking decent, looking nice. And just so you know, you have to prepare it the right way. You have to shake and pump a little before it's actually gonna work. And as you might know, I'm really a big fan of acrylic painters because they basically work on all the surfaces out there. We shaked it and now we had to pump, and you will see also it is really strong. It covers quite well, so we got like black here and we're gonna use white on that, so you will see in a second what I mean. And the white covers this black cardboard like perfectly, like you can't even see any black through, so this is just amazing, and you can definitely do some cool things with that, and you can draw on all surfaces pretty much. Metal, wood, everything is possible, and most of the time these are waterproofing as well. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today. I'm Badger, I'm out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.